Welcome back to part 10 of the Asia adventure. Today's adventure picks back up on October the 9th here in Osaka, Japan. Let's go hiking. An adventure if you can. Oh, this is a nice walk so far. Lots of spiders. All right, hiking in Japan, sometimes you get vending machines on the side of the trail. Let's keep going. I'd say that's pretty worth the walk, huh? Alright, let's hike down. Vending machine with the waterfall. What a terrible view outside the bathroom here. So it's really funny, since they drive on the left here and you walk on the left. If you're from a country that drives on the right and walks on the right, it's funny, like you can tell just by people where they walk, where they're from. Just thought I noticed. Talk about that. Let's keep going. All right, and that's the Mino waterfall. Let's see what's next. So now that back at the hotel, let's go do some work and get some lunch. Let's do that. Well, all right, now that some work is done, it's time for the gym. Let's get to that. It's been a while since I've done one of those big long workouts. Whew. So this doesn't have as heavy a weight as it used to. So in that situation, what I recommend is you just do more reps, right? So it's this thing called time under tension. So you either, lift heavy weight for a short time or less weight for more time. But either way, you're still stretching those muscles. All right, let's go. So since I've been carrying that backpack around for like 6 weeks now, I gotta say, like, my style of travel is not making that like useful. So suitcase, let's try this next time. So the other day I found this really good Indian place for lunch, so I'm gonna go over there and hopefully find it, because I don't know if I'll find it again, and show you guys, so you know when you come to Osaka, this extremely reasonable, simple Indian place is really good. Let's go try to find that. So that place is called Indian Curry, and it's spicy. They serve 4 dishes. That's it. Less than 1,000 yen. You basically walk in, you get fed immediately. Like seriously, you sit down and they give you food. Really, really good. Highly recommend that if you're here in Osaka. All right, we're doing a little bit of shopping over here too, so let's get to that. I've never heard the koala called a UFO catcher before. That's funny. So I've been walking around this place for probably 20 minutes now. It's huge. And this is seriously 2 floors underground. Japan is a massive underground. Just keep looking for that electronics store. Like, that's what I'm talking about. It just randomly ran into like a huge, like probably 50 vendor like collection of all food. And that just happens around here. Just looking for the electronics store. So I picked up a power converter. Where are we going next? So with this being my last night in Osaka, I want to take you guys to this Indian place I found. Basically like a hole in the wall Indian place, which is really good for another restaurant to check out if you're ever in Osaka. Let's go get some yummy food. Got pretty dark clothes in there, but there you go. That's really, really good. Highly recommend this Indian place. Rah rah. All right, let's keep going. That's right. The next leg of this journey is by airplane. Let's see where we're going. All right, that was pretty easy. Thankfully not that big long line. Let's go find the gate. It's pretty nice. Let's get up in the air.
Cabin crew ascending the main station. compartments for valuable items.
Welcome to Thailand. Let's go check this out.
Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand.
So if you guys have been watching my content for a while, you know my good friend Amir. I am here in Thailand visiting him.
Bangkok, Thailand.
And we're gonna go swim, so let's go do that. So how was that swim?
A lot harder than I thought.
You gonna swim more?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna head back and head to the new place. So this is home for about a month almost. And it wasn't that expensive. So let's unpack and get to work, because some needs to get done. Well, all right, now that everything's settled in the room, let's go get some groceries. I had to laugh at this one. Green tea waffles. Well, all right, shopping was successful. Let's get back. Well, all right, now that shopping is done, all checked in here, we're gonna go ahead and close part 10 of the Asia adventure. Pick up the next part here in Bangkok, Thailand. Bye.